Thai shofu.
Consist of your meal of your choice of side dishes and rice. Pwede nyo pong i-agree as clubs, additional 190 or udon 125. Request is confirm lang po. Then for 3 bestseller, first is our chicken namban.
Chicken namban.
Chicken steak on the side of side salad on top of biryani.
Ano yan?
Udon naman gawin natin.
Oh, wag na. Wag na. Pwede, decide option lang naman eh. Kailangan ba yon? Mag-opsit.
Ikaw magabayan dito? Lahat?
Paano yan? Okay na yan?
Niluluto na yan.
Niluluto na. Okay, go.
Return lang.
Tara na, lasa tayo dito. Ito pala yung sabaw niya, nakahiwalay. Ay, miso pala yan. Okay, may sabaw naman pala siya. Ang galing.